Now we are going to start exercise 13.8. In this exercise we are talking about sphere. Okay, sphere is three-dimensional figure which is made up to the points of the space which lie at the constant distance from a fixed point is called center, and the sphere is constant distance is called the radius. Okay, a line segment through a center of a sphere within the end points of sphere is called the diameter of the sphere. In the real life, we observe many objects such as cricket ball, round metallic ball, or pulley ball, football, etc. are the examples of the sphere. Okay. Volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay. And volume of hemisphere will be 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay. So in this exercise, we are going to start question number first. Find the volume of sphere whose radius is 7 centimeter. So we have radius given है r is equals to 7 centimeter. Volume of sphere is equals to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Then it will be 4 upon 3 into 22 upon 7. Pi is 22 upon 7. 7 cube. Okay. Then it will be 88 into 7 into 49 upon 3 into 7. Okay. Then it will be 4, 3, 1, 2 upon 3. Then we are solving this. So it will be 1, 4, 3, 7, 1 upon 3 centimeter cube. Clear? सर इस फॉर्मूले में आपको आर की वैल्यू पुटअप करनी थी और आंसर निकालना था. इसी तरह से आप इसका सेकंड क्वेश्चन कीजिएगा 0.63 मीटर. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड. फाइंड द अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर डिस्प्लेस्ड बाय अ सॉलिड स्फेरिकल बॉल ऑफ डायमीटर. अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर फाइंड करना है हमें और गिवन क्या है हमें डायमीटर गिवन है. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 28 सेंटीमीटर. वी हैव डायमीटर डी इज इक्वल टू 28 सेंटीमीटर. Diameter is 28, so radius will be 28 upon 2, then it will be 40. Okay, so 14 centimeter. So amount of water displaced by the solid spherical ball is equals to volume of spherical ball. So it will be 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 14 cube. Then it will be 11498.67 centimeter cube. Okay, same this. आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे 0.21 मीटर. सेकंड क्वेश्चन इसका. थर्ड क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड इज द डायमीटर ऑफ द मेटालिक बॉल इज 4.2 सेंटीमीटर. व्हाट इज द मास ऑफ द बॉल इफ द डेंसिटी ऑफ द मेटल इज 8.9 ग्राम पर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. ओके, सो वी हैव डायमीटर 4.2 centimeter, then radius will be 4.2 upon 2, it will be 2.1 centimeter. Then volume of metallic ball is equals to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3 pi will be 22 upon 7, 2.1 whole cube. Okay, then it will be 88 into 0.3 into 0.7 into 2.1. Then it will be 38.808 centimeter cube. Okay, volume is 38.808 centimeter cube. Then we have given density of metal per centimeter cube is 8.9 gram is equals to 8.9 gram. So the mass of the ball is equals to 38.808 into 8.9. Then it will be 345.39 gram. Hence the mass of the ball is 345.39 gram. Okay. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 आप खुद से कीजिएगा. सेम यही फॉर्मूला लगा के सॉल्व करिएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. How many liters of milk can be hemispherical ball of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? So given diameter is 10.5 centimeter, then radius will be 10.5 upon 2, then it will be 5.25 centimeter. Okay, hemispherical. So volume of hemisphere is 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Formula is 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Then it will be 2 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 5.25 whole cube. Then it will be 303.1875 centimeter cube. Okay, we have to find the quantity of milk, so it will be in liters. So quantity of milk that hemispherical ball can hold is equals to 303.1875 upon 1000, because we have to convert the centimeter into liter. So it will be 0.303 liter approx. Okay, question number 6. A hemispherical tank is made of an iron sheet 1 centimeter thick. If the inner radius is 1 centimeter, find the volume of iron used to make the tank. So in this question we have given the inner radius. So inner radius को let करते हैं R1 inner radius R1 is equals to 1 meter, then it will be 100 centimeter. Thickness is 1 centimeter. Outer radius will be R2, so thickness will be 100 plus 1, then it will be 101 centimeter. Okay, outer radius is equals to, कैसे find करते हैं outer radius को, हम फॉर्मूला होता है हमारा inner radius plus thickness, then it will be inner radius is 100 and thickness will be 1, so it will be 101 centimeter. Outer volume will be 2 upon 3 pi r cube, then it will be 101 whole cube centimeter. Inner volume is 2 upon 3 pi r cube, then it will be 100 cube. Okay, hence the volume of iron used to make the tank. Outer volume minus inner volume. टैंक का हमें क्या फाइंड करना है, वॉल्यूम यूज को बताना है टैंक के लिए, तो आउटर वॉल्यूम में से हम क्या करेंगे, इनर वॉल्यूम को माइनस कर देंगे. 2/3 पाई हमारा दोनों इक्वेशन में कॉमन था, हमने लिख दिया. आर क्या था हमारा 101 होल क्यूब माइनस 100 क्यूब. सो यहाँ पे हम आइडेंटिटी यूज कर सकते हैं ए क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब. ओके, हमने चैप्टर 2 में यूज की थी वही आइडेंटिटी. ए क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब इज इक्वल टू ए माइनस बी ए स्क्वायर प्लस ए बी प्लस बी स्क्वायर. ओके, then it will be 2/3 into 22/7. Pi is 22/7. A minus B means 101 minus 100. Here A square means 101 whole square plus 101 into 100 square. So it will be 2/3 22/7 10201 plus 10100 plus 10000. So it will be 44/21 30301. Okay, then it will be 63487.81 centimeter cube. So 63487.81 upon we have to convert in meter, so 100 into 100 into 100. Okay, then it will be 0.063 meter cube approx. Okay, then question number 7. Find the volume of sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. Okay, we have to find the volume and given is surface area. So let R be the radius of sphere. Given surface area of sphere is 154 centimeter square. So we know very well the surface area is 4 pi r square is equals to 154. Formula of surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Then it will be 4 into 22/7 into r square is equals to 154. So r square is equals to 154 into 7/22 into 4. Then r is equals to 7/2 centimeter. Okay, then it will be hence the volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. So 4/3 pi r is 7/3 whole cube. Then it will be 4/3 into 22/7 into 7/2 7/2 7/2. Okay, 7/2 7/2 7/2. Then it will be 11 into 7 into 7/3. Then it will be 179.667. So it will be 179.67. Okay, volume is 179.67 centimeter cube. Question number 8. A dome of building is in the form of hemisphere. From inside it was whitewashed at the cost of rupees 498.96. If the cost of the whitewash is rupees 2, we have to find the inside surface area of the dome and the volume of air inside the dome. Okay, so given the cost of the whitewash is rupees 498.96. Okay, and the cost of whitewash per square meter is rupees 2. So first we have to find the inside surface area of dome. So inside surface area of dome is equals to cost of whitewash upon cost of whitewash per square meter. So it will be 498.96 upon 2. So it's 2.4948 square meter. Okay, in second point we have to find the volume of air inside the dome. Okay, so in volume we have to first find the radius. Let R be the radius of the dome. Inside surface area is equals to 249.48 square meter. So we know the surface area of hemisphere. Surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square is equals to 249.48. Okay, it will be 2 into 22/7 into r square 249.48. R square is equals to 249.48 into 7/44. Okay, then it will be R square is equals to 36.69. 36.69 is the root of square root of 6.3. So R is equals to 6.3 meter. Here we have to find the volume of air inside the dome. Okay, so volume of air inside the dome. So we are using the formula of volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube. So 2/3 into 22/7 into R will be 6.3 whole cube. It will be 2523.908 meter cube approx. Okay, so the volume of air inside the dome is 523.908 मीटर क्यूब. ओके, इसके बाकी चाहिए क्वेश्चंस आप होमवर्क में कीजिएगा. यहाँ पे आपकी एक्सरसाइज 13.8 भी कंप्लीट होती है और आपका चैप्टर 13 भी कंप्लीट होता है. कुछ क्वेश्चंस जो है वो आप होमवर्क में ट्राई कीजिएगा.